Do you love cookies? Do you love wine? On this very spring day, I'm making wine cookies. Absolutely divine. Just like you. You know, one of my favorite cookies is our wine cookies that I grew up eating in Rome. They are a staple, iconic, wine-based cookie that is dry, that can be used for dipping in wine as a treat at the end of the meal. Also, you can bring them in little packets as gifts to the people that you love. I grew up eating all sorts of wine cookies. White wine cookies, red wine cookies. There's so many different recipes from the region of Lazio. Today I'm using a very quick, very basic, few ingredient recipes and showing you how easy it is to make these wine cookies. It's actually incredibly easy and they're so satisfying as little extra treats at the end of every meal. These wine cookies we're making are absolutely iconic, simple to make. In Rome, they're one of the staples cookies that you will find. My auntie makes them all the time from my grumpy uncle. So if you have someone special that you want to give these wine cookies to, follow this very quick recipe. It's unbelievable. Not only are these wine cookies gorgeously delicious, but they are completely free of any dairy or eggs. So, good for everybody. Extra virgin olive oil. Yes, you heard me. I cannot believe how simple this recipe is. You realize that I'm just putting wine, extra virgin olive oil, a little sugar, flour, and baking powder. That's it. 20 minutes in the oven and they're done. Now the baking powder, double of flour. We sprinkle more flour as needed until the dough is not sticking to the side of the bowl. Just a little sprinkle at a time. Now you see, it's a little moist, obviously, but it's not sticking to the counter anymore. Now we let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, we're ready. Now we're gonna do 6-inch long ropes. We have light brown sugar. We're gonna have wine. And now we let the Chardonnay do his magic. A sprinkle of light brown sugar. And now we bake at 340 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Just gorgeous! Nonna would be proud! These wine cookies are little treats. You know, imagine this. Your girlfriends are coming over, your family's coming over, you want to talk about love, life, whatever you got going on, with some wine to dip the wine cookies in. Because yes, the wine cookies are supposed to be dipped in wine because it's authentic, it's iconic, just like you.